certified astrologer, and in this segment, I'm going to be going over the new year that took place for 2026. Although we're 15 days ahead, 15 days after the new moon, I wanted to make this chart for completion. So 2026 brings about a lot of different interesting combinations. First of all, Libra is the ascendant. So Venus, which looks at stable relationships, that's something that is good to explore. And then taking a look at the sun is also a very powerful energy to be in here. So this is kind of love, family, home front, and also bridal ambition. So that's kind of similar to many other personal planets. This year will bring kind of stability in things that are in the works. Also taking a look at the moon. Moon is always important. Again, in the ninth house, this means that going into endeavors that you might be interested in, any sort of career that you might be interested in, this year will be a good time to kind of explore some of the career choices. Now, a lot of the planets, including the personal planets, are below the horizon. And what that means is that there's a lot of different planning that goes possibly throughout 2026 for to change into and transform into something that is visible. So a lot of different things are going on internally, and that's something that is important to know. So just in summary, there's a lot of good energies that you can utilize and try to understand how to deal with them. And of course, the moon being in the upper houses, that shows that if you have feelings, then you can kind of manifest some of these lower planets or personal planets. Of course, there's always going to be tension between the planets here and then the midheaven. So that tension will bring about more progress. And then also, there's some planets that are square, which means this is a kind of a learning tool and something to think about. So the first, fourth, seventh, and 10th have strong planets, especially around the fourth house, which is home and family. So a lot of domestic sort of issues going on globally, and trying to grapple with all of that may be a challenge. So I hope this made some sense. Thank you for listening.